Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how to build a personal nutrition and meal tracking system using Airtable. We'll start with setting up our Airtable base. To do this, simply go to Airtable and create a new base. I recommend using a blank base as it allows you to customize it according to your needs. This is important because it's the foundation of our tracking system, where all the nutritional data and meal records will be stored. Now that we've done that, let's create our first table titled Meals. In this table, let's create columns labeled meal name, ingredients, calories, protein, carbs, and fats. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Each time we log a meal, we'll be able to record and see the nutritional value of what we're eating. Next up, we'll create a second table titled Daily Log. This table will have columns for date, meal, and total nutrition. By linking the meal column to our meals table, Airtable will automatically pull in the nutritional data for each meal we log. This helps us because it simplifies the tracking process and provides us a daily overview of our nutrition intake. The reason we do this is to have a flexible system that allows us to easily track and visualize our nutritional intake. It's not just about knowing what we eat, but understanding how it contributes to our overall health goals. Finally, let's create a third table called Goals. This table will have columns for date, goal calories, goal protein, goal carbs, and goal fats. This is where we'll set our daily nutritional goals, and by comparing it with our daily log, we can see how well we're doing in meeting these targets. Let me explain why this matters. Having a tangible target encourages consistency, motivates us to make healthier food choices, and provides a benchmark for progress. It's a crucial step in ensuring that our meal tracking system is not just about data, but about meaningful change. Now you've got your very own custom nutrition and meal tracking system in Airtable. It's a simple yet powerful way to take control of your health and nutrition. Remember, the best tracking system is the one that you'll use consistently. So, tweak it, customize it, make it work for you. Here's to healthier eating habits and achieving your nutrition goals. Thanks for tuning in.